Gentlemen, all right, so I am really excited about something that I've been keeping from you. And I wanted to tell you and talk about it, but I wanted to keep it a little bit close to the vest in case it didn't happen, in case like whatever. But I've been working on something now for the past, let's see, what's it been? About 10 months. Something that I'm incredibly proud of. I'm honored to have been asked to do it and excited to see kind of what happens with the rollout of the inaugural Alpha M bomber jacket. So the jacket I'm wearing is one of my bombers. Now you're like, your bombers? Yeah, let me just show you this. Actually, before I show you, I got to tell you, I guess, the story. So about a year ago, I was contacted by Nolan. Nolan is the owner of Thursday Boots. So as you guys know, Thursday Boots is a longtime sponsor of mine. I love that brand. I love that company. I love everything it stands for. All right, I love the fact that they've been doing it their way for years, and they have been incredibly successful. And the reason is pretty simple, because they offer an incredible product for an amazing price. They have never discounted their products, which is something that I actually am very inspired by. You know, in the world of everybody's trying to sell things by just giving you the lowest price, they're like, no. Thursday Boots kind of bucked the system. They're like, you know what? No, we're not going to get into the whole discount game. All we're going to do is offer, I say all, it's easier said than done. We're going to offer a superior quality boot. They started with boots for an amazing price. They cut out the middleman, which means they can offer you a great quality product for an incredible price. All right, and that's how they started. They started and it was basically like a few different designs, and over the years they have absolutely exploded. They also have taken the same business mindset and attention to detail, super high quality, and have basically gone into other kind of markets, right? Even though they got their start selling boots, now they do shoes, but they also do bags, leather jackets, and now bomber jackets. So the way that it worked, it was kind of like this. Nolan, the owner of Thursday Boots, I've met him. He's come to the Menfluential Conference. My buddy Terry, the co-founder of Menfluential Media, Terry and Nolan have always been like really good friends. He'll go up to New York and see Nolan and the team at Thursday Boots about once or twice a year. And they have been an amazing partner for me. They do about 5-6 videos every single year, and it's been for years. And the reason why I'm so proud to have them is because of the way that they do business, but also just the level of quality. You know, and that's one of the things that's kind of hard to find in today's world. A lot of people are trying to like take shortcuts or use like cheaper products or cheaper manufacturing. Thursday Boots basically has nailed it, and they haven't skimped on quality. Well, anyway, long story short, Terry and Nolan started talking. And Nolan's like, hey, we know that Aaron loves bomber jackets. We always see him in this like gray All Saints jacket. And we were wondering, what would you think, or do you think he'd be interested in designing a bomber jacket with us and collaborating with us on the Alpha M bomber? And so Terry probably got more excited than I was when I first heard about it. But he basically is like, I don't know, like, let me ask him. And so Terry calls me up. He was like on the train or the subway up in New York. He just left the meeting with Nolan. And he's like, Aaron, oh my God, I got to talk to you. And I'm like, what? Like, just calm down, tell me. And he's like, okay, so Nolan wants to know if you would be interested in designing a bomber jacket. And I started screaming. I was like, fuck yeah. I'm like, yeah, are you kidding me? And so basically the process started. Long story short, I said yes. They said great, and it was off to the races. And so for about 8 months, we went back and forth designing these. Actually, you know what? I want to show you something. I've got some of the originals that we didn't end up using. Like when I say this has been like a super collaborative project, it has been super collaborative. Over the past like 8 months, these are 3, actually I can show you right here. These are 3 of the jackets that we basically tried. I was like, no, I don't really like this. Let's get rid of the front pocket. Let's do inside pockets instead, because I don't like the bulky like chest pocket. I believe like originally, where's the original? Yeah, the original one, the pocket was up here on the chest. And so I was like, no, I don't really love that. I didn't want like a zipper on the front because I felt like it made it a little bit more casual, and I wanted something that pretty much like any guy could rock, any guy could love. It'd look amazing with jeans, with boots, with a t-shirt. And I wanted one to be non-leather. I actually also didn't want it to be suede because I want it to be more versatile and a jacket that you can pretty much wear like year round. Now, if it's super cold out, you're probably not going to wear your bomber, but you could layer it. or you could wear something a little bit heavier underneath, rock a scarf, throw a hat on, and you're good to go. And so anyway, we go back and forth for about 9 months. It's like 8 or 9 months. And we finally nailed the jacket, all right? This is one of the green jackets. We actually did 5 colors. I got to pick the colors, and these are them, all right? I just want to show you. Oh, the other thing I want to show you real quick that's like super awesome that like I'm just like really excited about that I've never had is, look at the button, right? Look at that button. Can you see it? Hold on. The M on the button, yeah, and then inside the tag, check it out. What does it say? Thursday Alpha M. It literally is the Thursday Alpha M jacket collection. And so anyway, here's another one. This one was a must-do, right? The gray, I love a gray bomber. It works incredibly well with jeans. It works with pants. It works with chinos, right? So sick, so sexy. All right, the cotton, it's 100% organic cotton. It's like 6.5 ounces. It's a heavier cotton, but it is like super soft, super plush. And if you guys know anything about cotton, it's like top of the line, all right? And then when you zip it up, the fit, that was the thing that I was really like weird about, right? I wanted to make sure it wasn't too baggy because that's one of the things. A lot of bombers that you're gonna find like in a store are like super like billowy around like the elastic down by the waist. And so we were able to actually like tailor it without it being like too tight. The sleeve length also is appropriate. One of the problems that I have is that sleeves a lot of times will like start to bunch and bag down by my wrist because I've kind of got like short arms. And so we were able to perfect it, all right? Not that my arms are like super short or like unusually proportioned, but I typically have like a lot of fabric down there. And so we were able to absolutely crush it. You wanna see another color? Do you guys like this? And for the record, if you want to check them out, there is a link down below, all right? This color I absolutely love. Tan is such an underutilized color, right? Everybody's rocking it in chinos, but jackets, are you kidding me? It's so soft. It's so sick, right? It is the perfect bomber. And the thing, like I said, I eliminated that zipper pocket that so many bombers have because I wanted something that was a little bit more timeless and able to be worn pretty much, you know, casually by somebody who's like 18 or somebody who's older, like 85, like literally. Because bombers, the one thing that I love so much about them is that they're versatile. Bombers are super like age appropriate, right? They work for young dudes, they work for older dudes. And if you get one that isn't like a crazy color or doesn't have a bunch of like crap, and that's one of the other things. A lot of bombers that you're gonna find have like stuff on like the sleeve, whether or not it's a zipper or places for like pens. I just don't like that. I like a nice clean silhouette. All right, this one, this color, I absolutely love. I love browns, I love earth tones, right? Boom, so sick, so sexy. But I got the last one I wanna show you, all right? The black. It's like a brushed kind of black. It is not like super like jet black. It's kind of got a little bit of a softness because of the cotton. But this one is so sick. All right, last one. All right, here it is. So soft, so sexy, so good. Check it. What do you think? Boom, bang, exactly. Throw on a pair of badass black boots and you are absolutely killing it. The jacket is just so sick, right? You've got cotton, rib collar, and the other thing that I did was I didn't want a collar that was like too tall. Some of the bomber jackets that you see will have like a taller like collar and it's just awkward and doesn't fit or feel right. All right, the sleeve cuffs, nice and soft. They're not too tight. They also fit nicely over a watch, which is something that a lot of bombers don't do, and that was designed specifically for that reason, all right? You could also, if you wanted to, you could cuff it up. If you wanted to expose that watch a little bit. Here's the deal. They're live. They just dropped yesterday, and I'm so excited to tell you about it. I am, of course, getting a percentage of all sales because this is a collaboration, and hopefully it goes really well. And if it does, we'll come out with additional designs. There are a few things that I want to modify for maybe the next run, and it's awesome. And like I said, I'm really proud. More than anything, I'm proud. You know, one of the things that, you know, you'll learn as an entrepreneur is that sometimes it can be a little bit lonely, right? Because you don't have a bunch of people, especially when you're like a solo entrepreneur and you're just starting out. It's lonely. It's lonely, you know, you don't have a lot of people to like talk to or commiserate with. And when you're just starting out, you know, it's a hard road. Well, one of the things that's been really rewarding for me is some of the people and the business relationships that I've developed over the years. And one of the strongest ones and most long-standing has been the one with Nolan and the guys and gals over at Thursday Boots. And so when they came to me and wanted to know if I'd be interested in doing this, it was just like, it was like that time where it's like, good job, like you did it, like congratulations. And, you know, it's something that I've always wanted. You know, bomber jackets have always been my thing. I love apparel. I love jackets. I love lightweight jackets. But one of the problems is that I don't want to go into that business because it is a hard business. Dealing with inventory, dealing with, you know, returns and stuff like that. And so this was a way for me to do and execute my dream, which is the perfect lightweight bomber without the headache of logistics or customer service or anything like that. And so I'm really excited. We did a limited run. We don't know how this is going to go. But if you guys are interested in grabbing 1, 2, 3, possibly all 5, the collection, I've got that special link down below, guys. There is no discount because, once again, in true Thursday Boot fashion, it's about quality, it's about affordability, it's about a great price for an incredible product. And this jacket, this bomber, is a testament and an example of what they stand for. And I was just thrilled that I could be a part of it. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to tell you because I'm super pumped, I'm excited. And we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it does well. I have a feeling it is going to sell out because we did a limited run in all the colors and the sizes. And we'll see. And who knows, if it goes well, maybe I'll be able to design a few other jackets because I've got some ideas, Nolan, that I think would be amazing. And your customers and my audience would absolutely love. Guys, link below. Thursday Boots, bringing it strong. As you know, they make the best boots in the business. And now we make the best bombers. Super excited, guys. If you want to check them out, down below. Thank you for everything, but you are going to thank me when you get this bomber because it's super badass. It also works with everything, including perfect boots. Guys, hit the link, check it out if you want. If not, or if you wait, it's going to sell out, bottom line, because they are amazing. Guys, speaking of amazing, so are you.